technician. If you have more of a technical mind, then you have the option of selling software and hardware-related services. Software services can include activities such as coding, CSS design work, application development, and website design and development. There are now numerous well-established online platforms where you can outsource your services safely and ensure that you are paid for the hours that you work. All you need to do is to search online for website outsourcing companies, and you will find various platforms such as Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, PeoplePerHour.com, and Freelancer.com. Again, depending on whether you prefer to deal with people personally or at a distance, you could also generate business in your local town or city through advertising and personal approaches. Your website would serve as a lead generation tool and to explain or demonstrate your skills. Creative people. Similar to what I have outlined above, creative people can become an outsourcer for their services for the platforms I have mentioned above, and they can generate business locally if they prefer. If you have the abilities to create graphics, edit photography, or even to produce videos, these skills are highly prized and can result in a lot of repeat business. Your website and social media will be essential to showcase past jobs or a showreel of your abilities. Once again, your style of doing business will depend on whether you prefer to remain working alone or if you like to meet with people. If you focus on selling your services through outsourcing platforms, you will be able to generate business without the necessity for face-to-face contact, even though it is very possible to connect with people around the world using FaceTime or video Skype. If you need regular human interaction, then perhaps you would prefer to generate business in your local area through physical networking and meeting your clients at that place of business. Another creative skill that is needed online, and particularly for digital product creation, is writing skills. If you enjoy writing and you are able to research various subjects, you will be able to produce valuable articles, blog posts, news items, PDF reports, and eBooks. You can use the content that you create on your own website to attract visitors that could buy affiliate products that you would find on a platform such as ClickBank. The alternative is that you could create your own digital products and become a ClickBank vendor, or you could link up PayPal on your website and sell your products directly to the public. The marketeer. Some people have a very natural ability to be able to capture people's attention with innovative marketing strategies. The online world is notoriously difficult to stand out from the crowd, so anyone with bright ideas for various products and services are highly sought after. The online business world is all about communicating your business message, and one other skill that is highly prized is copywriting for sales letters or video scripts. Another marketing activity is employed through social media. If you have the type of mind to come up with interesting posts that will build the following of your own or other people's social media accounts, you can attract business through outsourcing platforms or by promoting yourself as a consultant. You would need to produce various content and to build your own following in order to show people that you're able to do for yourself what you are offering to do for your customers. A final idea for the marketing mind is to offer SEO, search engine optimization, services, or consultancy. This activity requires a lot of analysis and research of the online marketplace. SEO also requires meticulous work on identifying keywords and key phrases that are being used in the search engines. Also working out which will be the most efficient to produce top 10 SERPs, search engine results pages, results by beating the competition. Conclusion. Although this is not an exhaustive list, it does illustrate the idea that you should try to find your place in the online world that suits your character as near as possible. If you find yourself operating a business which doesn't suit you, it's fairly certain that you will give up before it becomes a success.